Alright, in today's video, I'll be breaking down 7 must-know editing cards as an editor, and I will show you exactly how to master each one using Final Cut Pro. Knowing this simple cards will completely transform your storytelling. Alright guys, let's get started. The hard card, or sometimes called the standard card, is basically just a simple cut between 2 clips. In Final Cut Pro, I have this one clip in the timeline. I'm gonna drag this second clip in the timeline. So when I play, this is basic cut in between 2 clips, and this will help you tell a good story. This is one of my favorites. I use this all the time in my vlogs and also in my talking head videos. Jump cuts are used mostly to give the impression of moving through time by skipping ahead. In the timeline, I have this long take of me fixing my camera. What I'll do is, I will go exactly to when I'm about to step on the screen, trim that side off. Then I can go few frames, make a cut on that side, Command B. Then I'm gonna go forward till when I'm fixing the lens, make another cut on that side. Then I'm going to delete this part. So when you look at it, we are skipping few frames to the next shot. So from here, I'll go few frames ahead, make another cut on that side, Command B. Then I'm going to go forward to when I'm opening this, make a cut on that side too. Now I can delete this middle part. Now I'm going to continue doing the same thing and I'm going to be fast with it. So now I'm done with the cutting. When you look in the timeline, now we have somewhere 8 seconds. Now when I play and show you, it's going to have this nice jump cut effect. So from here, I'm going to play this trick with it. I'll go to my title and generator sidebar, click on Rolljoey, and I'm going to use this very plugin, an adjustment layer. I'll drag and drop in the timeline. Now I'm going to make it the same length as the videos. I'll provide you guys with this plugin. Link will be in the description below. I'll take my player to the starting frame, go to the video side and drop keyframe on position and also scale all. Then I'll take my player to the last but one frame and I'll increase the size a bit. So now when I play, it's going to have this continuous zoom in at the same time having that jump cut effect. This is probably one of the most common cutting methods, just as the L cut, which we're going to talk about next. This is when you hear the audio of the incoming clip before the visuals appear on the screen. And that will give you the J kind of look in the timeline. So I have these 2 clips in the timeline, one of the videos having my voiceover. Right click on this very second clip, go to detach audio. Then I will trim the beginning part of that clip. So my audio will start coming before the visuals appear. And when you look in the timeline, it's going to give us this J shape. And now when I play and show you guys.
And before I hit outdoors, I just want to put this out there. We are in the middle of the year.
This is going to give you smooth transition into the incoming clip. This is the opposite of the J-cut method. This is when the audio from the previous shot continues into the next shot, giving you the L shape in the timeline. So we have these 2 clips in the timeline. The first clip having my voiceover. I'll right click on that clip, go to detach audio. And this time around, I'm going to trim the ending part of that very clip. So my audio of the first clip will keep playing whilst the second clip is on the screen. Now let me play and show you guys how it looks like.
I have 6 months to the end of the year. Alright guys, see you on the other side.
So you can see it transitions smoothly into the second clip. Cutting on action, or which I call it action cut, is when you make a cut in the middle of an action. It can feel a bit odd when you don't cut on action. So in the timeline, I have these 3 clips and I'm going to be doing the cutting. So when you look at the wide shot, whilst I'm about to sit, that's where I'm going to cut. That's where the action takes place. Take my player there, Command B to make a cut, and I'm going to delete this side off. Now when we go to the medium, I'm going to go exactly when I'm about to sit so I can match the action. Take my player there, Command B to make a cut, and I'm going to delete this part. Now when you look at it, it's going to transition nicely into this. To make the cut more clean, press T for the trim tool. Then we're going to take it to the middle. When we click on it, it's going to give us 2 viewer windows. When you look on the left, it's going to give you the wide shot, and on the right, it's going to give you the incoming shot. Now I can move it to get exactly where I want the action or the cut to take place. So this, I can go somewhere here and I'm going to leave it. Now when I play, it's going to give us this clean action cut between these 2 clips. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the close-up. When I'm about to cross my leg, I'm going to make a cut on that side. Command B to make a cut. Press A for the select tool, and I'm going to delete this part. Then with the close-up shot, I'll go exactly when I'm about to cross my leg. Command B to make a cut, and I'm going to delete this part. Just like we did previously, I'm going to press T for the trim tool. Click on this very middle part, and then I'm going to get the precise cut that I want. Now when I play and show you, it's going to have this nice action cut between these two clips. Then when it gets to this side too, it's going to have this nice cut between these two clips. A montage is a series of short clips shown one after another to tell a story. It usually has no talking. I use it in my vlog editing to show someone going through a change or transformation. In the timeline, I have these clips of me getting ready and also stepping outdoors. And when you look at it, it's me going through a transformation, getting dressed, and also stepping outdoors. Now when I play and show you, it's going to have this nice montage shot stuck together. Mostly when it comes to this kind of cut, I like to match it with the audio. So I'm going to turn the music on, and when I play and show you guys, this is not really a single cut, but I like to group them together. Wide shows the surroundings of a scene. Medium shows the character clearly and also some background. Close-up shows just the face or small details. These three simple cuts combined together gives clarity to your scene. So I have these three clips in the timeline. The first one being wide shots, the second being medium, and the third one being close up to my face. And mostly I like to go this way. I'll start with the wide, showing the environment, and then I'll go to the medium, and then I'll move on to the close up. Once you understand how to use the wide, medium, and close up shots, you can easily interchange them to make your scenes more dynamic and engaging. For instance, I can delete the medium and I can start with the close up, showing you my face and also a little bit of detail. Then I will transition into the wide shot. I recommend knowing the normal parting shot before experimenting and breaking it. There are other cuts too, like the smash cut, match cut, and cross cut. But these are my top 7 that every editor should know. Alright guys, that's all for today. See you in the next one. Peace.